Here are a few educational tips to help enhance your learning experience. 1. Active participation. Engage actively in class discussions, ask questions, and contribute ideas. This deepens your understanding and retention of the material. 2. Consistent study routine. Set aside regular study time each day. Consistency helps in gradually building knowledge and reduces the need for last-minute cramming. 3. Practice active recall. Test yourself on what you've learned without looking at your notes. This strengthens memory and identifies gaps in understanding. 4. Take breaks. Study in intervals, e.g., 25 minutes of focus followed by a 5-minute break. This approach, known as the Pomodoro technique, helps maintain concentration and prevents burnout. 5. Use multiple resources. Don't rely solely on one textbook or lecture. Explore different resources like videos, articles, or alternative textbooks to gain a broader perspective on the subject. 6. Teach what you learn. Explaining concepts to others is one of the best ways to solidify your understanding. It reveals any areas where you might still be unclear. 7. Stay organized. Keep your notes, assignments, and study materials well organized. This saves time and helps you stay on top of your studies.